We are back with a great function. I just picked this up yesterday, in fact. Um, and let's say you have a big list of invoices or a list of sequentially numbered items, and you need to find out what the last one is because you want to put it in this top cell because you don't want to have to scroll all the way to the bottom to find it, although you could just click here and go control page down, and that would take you all the way to the end. But you can see here we have over 9,200 rows of invoices, and so if this is being added to on a quite frequent interval, you would need to be able to get down to the bottom one or know what the bottom one is quickly. So we can create a formula that will put that last number in this cell. Now, caveat is that you need to have no blanks in this column of items of which you are going to be searching through. And if you do, that'll give it to the wrong area. Also, you need to start your range at the first instance, so here on this first column. But what we're going to use is the index function, and then the index function, and then the number we're going to use to find it, we're going to use the CountA function inside the index function. So what we're going to do is $index. Now in this case, luckily you can go further past this the bottom. So if you had, I would say, you can go like 15,000. So in this case, I'm going to say A3 to A10,000. Oh, maybe let's see, A3 to A10,000, and then we're going to use CountA. CountA, CountA, and we're going to do the same range, A3 to A10,000. Double close. Boom. Let's check it. 29216. Let's see if that's right. $29,216. There you have it. Hit like if you love the video, even if you didn't like it. If you thought it was okay, hit like. Subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Stuff that you'd like to see more of. If you like, I haven't done the last couple with music. What have you. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you'd like to see, and we'll get that up there for you, or at least give it a shot. Thanks. We'll see you next time.